South Korea was widely perceived as an equal society. Growth without rising inequality, and often called the economic growth with shared growth, for instance, where everyone shared economic growth, increasing economic pie. It's not always the case. If you think about economic growth and inequality, if you think about China right now, so China has been growing at a very fast rate. But what we also see in the case of China is rising inequality among urban and rural in different parts. And it's usually the case in many parts of the country. But South Korea, especially during this period, we actually saw low levels of inequality being maintained. And that was a unique feature. But actually this reversed starting in the mid to late 1990s, and we see a reversal and starting increasing patterns of inequality.